Hello students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you are fine at home and studying at home, okay? Since your periodic test 1 is completed, so don't stop your learning, don't stop your studying, okay? Daily watch your lectures and do your daily work. Don't work your pending, okay? So do the daily work and do the homework daily. Whatever subject teachers gave you homework, do that homework that day, okay? So again we will start, not we will start the new topic, we will continue the same topic that we have done in our last lecture, and our last lecture was ascending and descending orders, and the questions is from numbers 1 to 100, okay? So ascending and descending orders from number 1 to 100. So ascending order already we have done. So today we are doing the question based on descending order. So once again I will explain you what is descending order, and we will recall what is ascending order also, okay? And sorry, I have given you some homework questions also. I have given you questions for homework also. That means you have to arrange those number in ascending order. So I hope all of you have done the homework. Now first we will recall that what is ascending order. So what is ascending order? In which form you arrange the numbers in ascending order? Ascending order, in ascending order we arrange the number in from smaller number to the greater number, from smaller number to the bigger number. In ascending order, first we write smaller number, then bigger, and last the biggest number. And in descending order, we arrange the numbers from bigger number to smaller number. Just opposite to ascending is descending, okay? So ascending and descending are opposite to each other. दोनों एक दूसरे के opposite है, means उल्टे हैं. In ascending order we arrange from smaller to bigger, and in descending we arrange from bigger to smaller. So that means both are opposite to each other, okay? So write today's, first of all of you open your notebook. Open your notebook. And what is first thing you are writing in your notebook? First take out your open your notebook and take out new page. Always new topic, new question starts with a new page. So take out new page, and first of all write the date. What is the date today? That you have to write here. Whatever the date is today, you have to write date here, and write. In our last topic we have done question number 1, okay? So today we will write question number 2, okay? So no new heading because we are continue the same topic, so only the question number will be changed. So that day we have done question number 1. The same question is given on page number 50. Page number 50, okay? So the questions that we are doing today is also given on page number 20. That day we have done question number 1, arrange in ascending order, and today we are doing question number 2, arrange in descending order. So first write question number 2. Write question 2, and what is the question? Arrange A double R A double R A double R A N A double R A N G E. Arrange in descending. Sorry, arrange the numbers. Arrange. Once again I am writing, it is not clear. Arrange the numbers arrange the numbers in descending order. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, descending order. Arrange the numbers in descending order. So this is the question. So write the question fast. Write the question fast and write in good handwriting. Question is arrange the numbers in descending order, and these questions that we are doing just now is given on page number 50. Okay, so in book the questions, the numbers are written inside the bus. So we are not drawing the bus, that is not bus, that is van. So we are not drawing the van in our notebook. We will write simple numbers in a block. Okay, so first of all you write the question, arrange the numbers in descending order. Arrange the numbers in descending order. So now write the first question, A. I am dividing my board in two parts. No need to draw this line because you have sufficient space in your notebook. You just write one question below the other question. Okay, so you don't draw this line. Now the first question, the numbers here are 25, 15, 85. Okay, so these are the numbers. First you copy the question. First you copy the numbers, and after writing the main question, leave one box and then write this question A. Okay, and after each number you will again leave one box. Always leave one box while writing the other number. Okay, so first let us read the question again. What are the numbers? We will read the numbers again. So what are the numbers? 2, 5, 25, 1, 5, 15 and 8, 5, 85. What are the numbers? The numbers are 2, 5, 25, 1, 5, 15 and 8, 5, 85. So what is our first step? Our first step is to identify the bigger number. Why we are identifying the bigger number? Because in this question we have to arrange the number in descending order, and in descending order first we write the biggest number. Okay, first we write the biggest number. So between these three numbers we have to identify the biggest number, greatest number, largest number. Okay, so let's identify the biggest number among the three numbers. The first number is 25, second number is 15 and the third number is 85. Now which is the biggest number? Biggest number is 85. So here we will write 85 in the first block. Okay, now which numbers are remaining? Two numbers are remaining, and the remaining numbers are 25 and 15, and the remaining numbers are 25 and 15. Now identify the other bigger number between the two remaining numbers. These two numbers are remaining. Now let us identify the bigger number. So which is the bigger number? 25. So second place is taken by 25. Now the smallest number is remaining, and the smallest number that remains is 1550. Okay, so we have arranged these given numbers in descending order, that means from bigger number to smaller number. Let us read the numbers again that we have obtained as answer: 85, 25 and 50. So copy this question from the board. Copy this question from the board and copy correctly. And after writing the question also, after writing this question, you leave one box and then write the answer. Okay. Then after leave one box and then write the next question B. Okay. So first of all you copy this question number A. Now the next question B. Leave one box here and then write question B, and the numbers that are given are, what are the numbers given? 68, 28, 28 and 88. What are the numbers? 6, 8, 68, 2, 8, 28 and 8, 8, 88. Now we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. So first of all, what is our first step is to read the numbers. Okay, to read the numbers. So once again read the number 6, 8, 68, 2, 8, 28 and 8, 8, 88. Now identify the largest number, the biggest number. So which is the biggest number among these three numbers? The biggest number is 8888. So the first place is taken by the biggest number, that is 88. 88. Now the two number remains, and the two numbers that remains are 68 and 28. Two remaining numbers are 68 and 28. Now the bigger number between these two numbers are 68. So on the second box write 68, and the number that is the smallest number is 28. 28. So in this question also we have arranged the numbers from larger number to the smallest number. So once again let us read the numbers that we obtained as answer: 88, 68 and 20. Okay. Now copy this question from the board. Copy this question from the board. Now the next question, C. What are the numbers given here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the numbers are 2, 8, 28, 8, 6, 86 and 9, 6, 96. These are the numbers. So once again, what is our first step before arranging the number? That we have to read the numbers. Read the given numbers. What numbers are given? So once again read the numbers: 2, 8, 28, 8, 6, 86 and last number is 9, 6, 96. Okay, these are the three numbers. Now identify the biggest number. Which is the biggest number? The biggest number is 96. So you write 96. Now which number will come? 96 we have already written. Now the remaining two numbers are 28 and 86, and the biggest number is 86. So write here 86, and the at last the smallest number, that is 28. Okay. So we have arranged 96, 86 and 28 in descending order. Okay. So we have solved 3 questions. Now I will give you 2 more questions. So you try yourself and arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay. Then I will write the answer and you check whether you have done it correctly or not. So first you copy this question from the board and then I will give you question to solve. Okay. Now the next question D. I am writing 2 questions D and E here, and now you solve these 2 questions. You arrange these numbers in descending, and then you check when I write the answer. At that time you check whether you have done it correctly or not. Okay. I will give you 2 questions D and E. Write the numbers 85, 82 and 83. This question you do yourself, and one more question I am writing here 75, 69, 54. Okay. Now start solving this question D and E. One more question I am writing this side. So you have to solve 3 questions yourself. F. Five, 11 and 41. So these are the 3 questions. So I will give you time 1 minute for 1 question. So I will give you 3 minutes to solve these 3 questions D, E and F. So write the answers fast. Once again I am reading the question for you. So the numbers given at D is D are 85, 82 and 83. The numbers that are given at E 75, 69 and 54, and the numbers that are given at question number F are 35, 11 and 41. So write your answers fast. Okay, now I am writing the answers. You check whether you have done right or wrong. So D, what are the numbers? 85, 82 and 83. 85, 82 and 83. Now identify the biggest number. So 85, 82 and 83. The biggest number is 85 itself. Okay, so it will be at the first place, 85. Now the two numbers remaining are 82 and 83. The two numbers that are remaining are 82 and 83. Now the another biggest number 83. So write here 83, and the number that is smallest remain at the last is 82. So how do we arrange 85, 83 and 82? This is the answer. Okay. Now check the next question, E. So first of all, what we will do, we will read the numbers. So let us read the number that is given on question E. So the numbers are 75, 75, 69, 69 and 54, 54. Okay. So the greatest number, the biggest number among the three numbers are, identify which is the biggest number, which is 75. Very good. So 75 will be as it is. Now the two remaining numbers are, what are the two remaining numbers? 69 and 54. So the biggest number between 69 and 54 is 69. Okay. Now the last number, the smallest number is 54. No change. The question itself is a solution. The question is itself arranged in descending order. Question and answer both are having same digit at same place. Now the last question, F. Okay. So first let us read the numbers. What are the numbers given? 35, 11 and 41. What are the numbers? 35, 11 and 41. So identify the biggest number. Which is the biggest number? 41. So first block will take place as 41. Now the two numbers that are remaining, what are the two numbers remaining? The two remaining numbers are 35 and 11. The two remaining numbers are 35 and 11. Now identify the biggest number. Very good. 35, 35. And the number that is the smallest number remains at last is 11. 41, 35, 11. Now I hope you all have done all the three question correctly. आपने सही किए हैं. So clap for yourself. Very good students. Now I hope all of you have understood how to arrange numbers in ascending order and descending order. Okay. So because 4 questions we have done. Why 4 questions? Because the first lecture that we have done of ascending and descending order is from number 1 to 50. But how to arrange the number? The method is same. Okay. And the 2 questions that we have done just now in our last lecture and in our today's lecture, ascending and descending order from number 1 to 100. Okay. So in this way you know how to identify the smaller number and bigger number, and accordingly how to arrange them in ascending and descending order. Okay. So today again I will give you some homework questions. So I hope all of you have written all these classwork. Have you done? So may I give you some questions as homework? So no need to write the question again. Why? Because the question is same as arranging ascending order. Sorry, arranging descending order. So what you have to do is you have to write here homework that we have done in our last lecture. Write here homework question, and we have written today till F. So you continue writing from G. Okay. So here I am writing some homework question. So you arrange these numbers in descending order. And one more question G. 4 questions I am writing here. So these are the 4 homework questions. You have to arrange the given numbers in descending order. That means from bigger to smaller. Okay, start writing the homework question. Now next question. The numbers that I have written are, I am reading it if you are not clear, 38, 79 and 41. Now the next numbers are 23, 19 and 35. Now the next question, 88, 98 and 68. Now the last question, 64, 50 and 60. Okay, so I have written here 4 questions, and these 4 questions are homework for you. So I am reading the homework question for you. The numbers written at question number G are 38, 79 and 41. The numbers written at question H is 23, 19 and 35. The numbers written at question I are 88, 98 and 68. And at J, the numbers are 64, 50 and 60. Okay. So 4 questions I have given you for homework. So all of you do the homework and arrange these numbers in descending order. So for today it is sufficient. We will start new topic in our next lecture. That means only 2 or 3 topics are remaining. So we will continue in our next lecture. Till then, have a nice day. Good day. Bye.